All right, man. Is it gonna hold?
Surefire will. It's built in the USA.
Made in the USA. All right, let me take a look at it. Oh, look at that. That's like professional. So all these welds are holding these ladders on the back of the ramp for the bulldozer to go up onto the new semi-truck, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Awesome. What are we gonna do with the old bulldozer?
We're gonna sell it.
Sell it?
Either buy a camper or buy 2 Corvettes.
All right, man.
Or a Charger.
That's your welding rig behind you?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Will it hold?
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent.